Hey everyone, in this video we have the Garmin Forerunner 920XT, and I want to show you how to get started with this watch by going for a run. First thing we want to do is wake up our display. We can do that by first pressing this menu button here in the lower left, and then enter, which is on the bottom of the watch over here on the right. Now we're on our main screen here, and we can decide what activity we are going to be using the watch for. As soon as we get to this screen, our watch is automatically going to search for and acquire satellites. I'll just turn the backlight back on here. Now we can choose our activity. We are going to be going for a run, but you can scroll through your different options with the arrow buttons on the right, so you can also use it for running indoors, biking indoors, pool swim, open water swimming, or triathlon. We are going to be going for a run. Before I do that, I'm going to pair my Forerunner 920XT with a Garmin heart rate monitor. Now, I'm going to pair it with the Garmin hrm-run. The 920XT is available in a bundle with this heart rate monitor that's going to give you some advanced running metrics. Now, you don't have to use an hrm-run. If you want, you can use a standard heart rate monitor. If you have one of those already, it's not going to give you the advanced metrics, but it is still compatible. You also don't even have to use a heart rate monitor at all. And if that's the case, you can just go ahead and press enter to begin your run. I'm going to pair mine though. So again, I'll hit this menu button in the lower left. I'm going to scroll down and select settings. Scroll down again to sensors and accessories, add new, and then I'm going to select heart rate from the list. Before we go any further, we want to make sure that we are wearing our heart rate monitor and that it is within about 3 meters of our watch, because as soon as we press enter, it's going to start searching for it and start the pairing process. So once it has found it, it'll let us know. We can go ahead and press select to add. It's going to finish pairing and then let us know once it is done by displaying HR connected along the top. Now from here, we can back out of these menus, go back to our starting point, and begin our run by pressing enter. Hit enter one more time to begin the timer. So here on our first running screen, we have the timer along the top. In the lower left is our pace, in the lower right is our distance, and we can scroll through some more of these screens by pressing the arrow buttons over on the right. On the second screen here we have our lap time, our lap pace, and our lap distance. These screens are customizable, so you can add screens, remove screens, and you can have each one display 1, 2, 3, or 4 data fields. You can begin a new lap by pressing the back button down in the lower left, or you can even set up an auto lap feature on your Forerunner 920XT where it will automatically begin a new lap based on time or distance. If we press the down arrow again, if we are wearing a heart rate monitor, it is going to display the heart rate data. If we're not, it'll just skip right over this. And then when we scroll down again, if we're wearing the hrm-run, it's going to show us our advanced metrics like running cadence, ground contact time, and vertical oscillation. When we scroll down again, it's going to bring us back to our starting running screen with our timer along the top, and then we can press enter to finish our run. 3 options here. First one is we can resume our run, we can hit save, or we can discard it. I'm going to go ahead and press save, so it'll save that information to the watch and then give us some details. Here's our recovery time. Right now, 0 hours. That wasn't a very challenging run. Then we can select our details here, and that's going to tell us our distance, our time, pace, calories burned, information on our heart rate, and so on. So when I'm all done, I can back out of here, go down and hit done. I can access this data later through my history on the watch. So press the menu button here in the lower left, scroll down, select history, activities, and right there is that run that we just completed. And once you've done all this, you are going to want to upload your data to Garmin Connect, and there are 3 different ways in which you can do this. Your Forerunner 920XT comes with a USB charging clip in the box. Looks like this, so you can plug this directly into your computer and upload your data that way. You can upload your data through the Garmin Connect mobile app to your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone, or the Forerunner 920XT is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can connect it to an existing Wi-Fi network and upload your data that way. So that's a quick look at how to get started with the Garmin Forerunner 920XT.